Y'all, one thing about me, my manger bien, and I want y'all to eat good too, honey. Seafood made the Haitian way is top two, but not two, and we have the best rice in the nation. Yeah, I said it. Today we're at Greg's Cookout in Hollandale in Miami. Let me tell you, they got the vibes and the drinks, like the passion fruit and sour sop, and that lemonade 10 out of 10, fruity and flavorful. Now let's get into the bien tempeh food, like the 10 wings, so well seasoned. Oh my God, they have seafood trios, guys, like their lobster tail, juicy with the Haitian spices, along with the Jonjon Haitian mushroom rice, shrimp, and salmon finger licking good. Now, have y'all had fried goat before? Don't knock tasso cabri until you try it, honey, along with the griot and the bun on Thursday. Now, I dropped the pickles, y'all. Don't judge me, but one bite out of that, and I felt like I was right on the waters of Haiti, living my best life on vacation, okay? Now, let's get into that shrimp Cajun pasta, baby. So savory and the crispy fried snapper, one bite, and I was out of there. They even have platters for sale. Everything was perfectly made and seasoned. I highly recommend. Vite manger, non?